So good now.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas 2016. Hashtag video recording my life.
Need pound sign.
Yeah, pound sign. No.
Pound Christmas.
Pound sign Christmas. He has to get back, Scooty. Is this their little goodie basket that they got?
Who got him
Sit.
that?
I did. Well, we all did. Lay down. Lay down. Sit. Sit. Lay down. Good Sparty. You're already laying down. Sit. Sit. Hey, sit. Good boy. Lay down. No. Sit. 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 Lay down. Lay down. Nope. Sit. 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 Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Good boy. Lay down. Lay down. You boys are handsome, man. Scooty. Where is... Do you see a little Santa hat sitting out there?
Oh, for Scoo.
Yeah. Sit. It would be on one of the shelves. I'm not sure which one. That's it. Sit.
You want to help the dogs open their presents, Becky?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Sit.
Oh, you gotta put it so it's on his head even.
Sit. Sit. That's the best way to get him to wear it. Sit. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy, lay down. Scooty, lay down. Lay down. I don't like to lay down. So this is gift one.
Oh.
They look like Cheez-Its, but they're called trainer treats. They're just little nuggets you can give them when they're following commands. Simple. These are pumpkin. Hold on, let me open the dog treats. Roast beef, and then I don't remember, I think carrot. And then these are little roast beef strips, all pressed meat. Wait, no, those are a different treat. I got them a bunch of treats.
Scooty.
He's like,
Scary.
why are you putting them back in the bag?
do that. Why are you doing that?
Yeah, look at that
Put them in my mouth.
Oh, what's this, boys? We were already getting some of this morning. This is Golden Rewards. What are they? Chicken jerky. They got some of these this morning already, too. They got... Well,
You gave them
Spartan
my
got
10.
shitty over... I did. I cleaned it out. Look how perfect that is. See a little
That's
chicken.
awesome.
Instead of rawhide, it's like chicken jerky. They got beef bones. Oh, there's beef bones in there. These are, one is a salmon stick, and the
What's
other
that?
is pumpkin stick.
What's that?
And Scooty is ready for that.
Get Mr. Patient back here.
I know. What's in here? I got them some really cool stuff. They got, alright, so this is a shish kebab with chicken, beef, and salmon. This is a wrapped chicken stick, duck jerky. And then this is like a pressed beef bone. And you can see they're ready. And look at the little puppy tin you got for them.
Oh, that's awesome.
Remember, I don't know if you were the one that was with me, but someone, it was either you or Danny were saying, just like, oh, you should get the puppy one because we have puppies.
Puppy Danny.
Puppies. This is for puppies from not puppies. You want to open it? Get it. Get it, Moo. Get it. Good boy. Get it, Sparty. Get it. Get it. Get it, Moo Moo. Get it, good boy. Open the present. Get it. Get it, puppies. Get it. Get it, Moo. Oh, look at that. Oh, what did you guys get?
Bye.
Moo, come back. Take
Cash,
that.
bring that back here. Hey, come on.
Can I have that, please?
Oh, there's a staple in there. Watch out.
Look out. Drop it.
Okay, let me have that.
Alright, clearly they're ready for those. This is from your mom and Don. Come on, Sparty, get it.
Oh, Sparty, that's a you
Get it,
gift.
Sparty. Get it. Get it, Sparty.
You might have to grab his paw or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Get it.
Here, Cash will help out.
Get it, Cashy. Get it. Come on. Get it, Spart. Get it. Spart, come get it. He was doing this last year, no problem. Cash is a Christmas pup, if you can't tell.
Yeah. Get it, Sparty. Oh.
Get it. Get it.
Alright, well, Cash will help. Get it.
Cash is the official dog who opens presents. Get it.
That's awesome.
Get it. Oh, good boy. Get the paper off.
What are you gonna do now? Oh no!
Get
You
it.
can really get in there.
Get it. Hey, Sparty. Hey, butt.
Hey, go get it. Go get it.
Get some. Get it. Come on. Sparty, come on. Come on. Moo's so proud. Hey,
Hey, you can't have these.
Alright, so what do you need?
Oh, what do we
He's like,
got?
I'm helping.
What do we got?
What's in there,
Obviously,
boy?
Sparty's gonna be sharing.
Sparty.
Oh, that is a good toy.
Oh, Moo, no, this is not you. Come here, Spart.
That's for everybody.
Sparty.
Look at that. This is what Danny was talking about, the mammoth.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sparty, say thank you.
thank you, Mom and Don. Awesome gift. Puppies will very much love.
Cash approves.
Yes.
Get it, guys.
I'll take the cardboard off for us too. Oh, there's more. Oh, nice.
Oh, look, Sparty, you got some more treats.
Uh-oh.
All your good menus over here.
Uh-oh.
And then this. Come on, get this. Get it. Get it. Get it, Moo. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, puppy. Get it. Get it. He does not hesitate to get that off. Get it. Get it.
Sparty, get it. Come on, help him out.
Have you seen he's opening presents? Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Sparty. Yeah. He's like, no.
I don't wanna.
Moo's
All
like,
right.
I wanna.
Well, he's got this.
He's puncturing the box.
Good job, Cash. Good job, buddy. Get it.
He's like, alright, that's about all I can do.
That's all I got. I need thumbs now. Thumbs, please.
Oh, what's that, boys? More treats.
A lifetime supply of skin and coat and hip and joint treats. But we have 3 dogs, so this is like a 2-week supply.
Whoa, did someone get into these already?
Did he eat them all?
I think so.
No. Oh no. How many are gone?
There's only 2 of each left.
Scooty had his too.
Someone had their 2. I gotta talk to Dan to see if she fed them already.
That's funny.
Get out of there. Smell their breath. See who smells like salmon.
Come here. I bet it's Scooty. Come here, Scooty.
Come here. I can't tell if I was just touching them, but I think it is.
Little fish breath over here.
Can you check?
Come here, Scoot.
Yes, you see. This is ridiculous.
Just stand by while we sniff dog mouth. Come here, Scooty. Come here. Let me sniff your mouth, baby.
Yeah.
Wow. Smell the rest of them.
Not salmon.
Wow.
Not salmon. Scooty's the only
Scooty had his.
hot pink mouth.
Oh
Well, at least you grabbed one of each.
no. Yeah, right.
So is that all puppy presents? Puppy Christmas.